we can go back and tight the bolt. So I just gave the tight by hand. So and I'm checking the fitting now. So it is quite tight. So I hope it won't let the water inside. So for now I just gave some hand tight, and I'm going to check the look and feel of the antenna from particular distance. So in my opinion, from this distance, this antenna is really looking very good. So I don't know how the camera is capturing it, the size and color, everything, but in my own eye, everything is looking good. So now I'm just closing the boot, just check on the look and feel. So now connect. So once you lock the panel, it is very difficult to remove that rubber stripe from the panel. So be careful with that. So anyhow, I already locked it, so I don't want to remove. So I'm doing in this way. But do remember. Yeah. Both antennas costed me around 1200. So if you are going for any shop to get it installed, it will cost you much. So always do it as a DIY. So now we'll check the FM quality. I'm switching on the key on the Polo. So this is the Android stereo. So I'm just going to open the FM and showing you the quality of the voice and song.
Save nature. Category 3. 9th to 12th standard. Edirgala India. Future India. கலந்துக்கிற எல்லாருக்குமே certificate. Number 1 FM. Hello FM.
Also guys, if you're having any rat issues in your car or in your place, go and check out on my last video. I explained this a device called CarCat, so which repels rat from your car. So it will be helpful for you. That's everything for today. Thank you guys for watching this video.